A barber lives in a village. He shaves all and only those men who do not shave themselves. Who shaves the barber? Russell's paradox, the set that broke math. If he shaves himself, he's not in his customer list. But then he doesn't shave himself, so he should be a customer. Contradiction either way. Strip away the barber. Some sets contain themselves, some don't. The set of all chairs isn't a chair. But the set of all abstract ideas is itself an abstract idea. Now define R, the set of all sets that don't contain themselves. Does R contain itself? If R contains itself, then R is a set that contains itself, so it shouldn't be in R. If R doesn't contain itself, it qualifies for R, so it should be in R. Same loop, different costume. Bertrand Russell sent this to Frege in 1902. Frege had nearly finished a foundational book on logic. He replied, "Arithmetic totters." His system could prove anything. Russell's paradox killed naive set theory. It birthed type theory and the Zermelo-Fraenkel axioms. These restrict which collections are allowed to be sets. Self-reference at the foundations. Disastrous. Mathematics had to learn humility about itself.